Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send USDT from crypto.com to Arculus Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT securely and efficiently, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups in the fast-evolving crypto world. Let's dive in. First things first. Make sure you have both the Crypto.com app and the Arculus Wallet app installed and updated on your device. Open the Crypto.com app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select your USDT balance. This is where the magic starts. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the screen. Before you proceed, head over to your Arculus Wallet app, open it, go to your USDT wallet, and copy the wallet address. This is crucial, as it's a unique string of characters that ensures your funds go to the right place. Back in Crypto.com, paste that Arculus wallet address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so check those to avoid surprises. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the network. It should be compatible, like Tron or Ethereum, depending on your USDT type. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this with your app's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, open your Arculus wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Crypto.com to Arculus Wallet in 2025. Always prioritize security, like using hardware wallets for storage. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.